What ensures auditor objectivity in compliance audits? Imagine trying to judge a contest where the judge has a personal stake in the outcome. That's why keeping auditors unbiased is so important in compliance checks. When auditors are objective, their findings are fair and trustworthy. But how do organizations make sure this happens? Let's explore the key ways to keep auditors impartial during compliance audits. First, independence of the audit function is essential. The audit team should be positioned within the company so they can work without pressure from management. Usually, they report directly to the board of directors or an audit committee. This setup helps prevent any undue influence from those being audited. Next, the personal attitude of the auditor matters a lot. An auditor must stay impartial and avoid conflicts of interest. For example, they shouldn't audit areas where they previously worked or where close family members are involved. Staying neutral in their judgment is a core part of their role. Following established professional ethics and standards also helps. Auditors are bound by codes that requiring them to base their conclusions only on evidence. They cannot ignore issues just because management offers explanations that aren't supported by facts. This keeps their work honest and reliable. Avoiding conflicts of interest is another big factor. If an auditor has a personal relationship with someone in the area they are auditing, their objectivity can be compromised. Many organizations restrict auditors from working in the same area repeatedly or from having close ties to the staff they review. Organizations also put policies in place to protect independence. These include rotating auditors between different areas, restricting them from taking on management roles, and setting clear rules about their responsibilities. These measures prevent familiarity from turning into bias. In compliance audits, it's important that the compliance team does not get involved in day-to-day management. When compliance staff also manage operations, their ability to judge compliance objectively is affected. Keeping a clear separation between oversight and management helps maintain fairness. Finally, leadership plays a big role. The chief audit executive and top management must set the tone by emphasizing the importance of honesty and independence. When leaders demonstrate commitment to objectivity, it encourages auditors to follow suit. All these factors work together to make sure auditors can do their work without bias. Their conclusions are based solely on the evidence they gather, which supports good corporate governance and helps organizations stay compliant with laws and regulations.